one of the life mottos that I have adopted recently from one of my teachers. And this motto describes my life perfectly and something that I believe everybody should adopt. The motto is meditate and play. The art of going inward so that you can master the outward. The way most people live life, right, is they constantly live outside because that's the way that we're taught to live. That's what we think life is. We think everything outside is real, where everything inside is simply, By the way, there's a lot of goats right here. I'm currently in an island off of Puerto Rico. It's called Vieques. I'll show you real quick. You see them? So there's some goats and roosters by the neighbor. It's a really beautiful island. I'm having a lot of fun here. And so, getting back to the point, most people live constantly outside, right? Whereas the outside is sourced from the inside. And so if you constantly live your life outside, trying to solve all your problems outside, you'll always just struggle. You'll always be fighting effects with effects rather than finding their cause. This is a lesson I've learned really thoroughly over the past 2 years. And my life has flourished only because I have started to take care of my inner reality first and foremost. Over all other things, my greatest value, my greatest priority is always taking care of myself within. And so there's just a short video. I wanted to kind of invite you to adopt the philosophy, the motto of meditate and play, which means to constantly go inward. It's to constantly know that even when you are living in this external, physical, seemingly physical reality, that the source of it all, the source of you, the awareness that is experiencing this experience, is non-physical, is found within. I don't mean within this body, I mean literally within. Like if you were to warp this physical experience inside out, that's what we mean within. But the easiest way to contact the within is through meditation. And what meditation will allow you to do over time is play. Meditation will remove all sorts of anxiety from your system, all sorts of fear, all sorts of I can't do this, or this is not possible. So that life becomes playful, it becomes joyful, rather than you always thinking that there is a threat over here, this person's threatening my well-being, this situation's threatening my well-being, this situation's lackful, I don't have enough here. Everything becomes a play which you have control over. Only through meditation, only through going within. Other than that, everything remains a threat. Everything remains separate from you. Everything remains independent and acts independently of you. But as you continue to go within, as you continue to gain awareness of the self, of who you truly are beyond this body and mind, more and more and more, things, people, situations, all begin to be connected. You start to see the source of all in everything. And this entire experience that you thought was outside of you, you realize is all happening within your awareness, within you. And that everything that you see is an ongoing reflection of you. So that being said, there is no threat to you. The only threat is you to yourself. And so once you begin to meditate and start to see the world in a more truthful way, The current worldview we have is not aligned with the truth. So once you start to see the world, the reality, in a more truthful way, all these fears start to melt away, and you gain more willingness to do, to play, to look at life as fun, as exciting, as adventurous, rather than fearful and then holding yourself back because there's something to lose. So meditate and play every single day. Go within, tune out of everything physical, tune out of who you even think you are, tune out of all identities, all beliefs, all thoughts. Go within every single day, at least for 15 minutes, at least. And then when you come out, play, have fun, take risks, capitalize on opportunities, create opportunities, be you, go for what you want, do what you want. And life over time will become an exact reflection of you. So if you start to look at it like a play, if you start to see everything as in your experience, as you will literally start to be like a child in a playground, exploring your limits, exploring your capabilities, seeing how far you can push everything. And that's like the aim of this trip too. Like, I've only taken this trip, as I explained to you, because I want to push my boundaries. I want to show myself more how life comes to support me in all that I do. And as I begin to check the list, all the boxes on my list of all the things that I want to do one by one, I know that life is going to become more playful. I know that life is going to become more joyful. And, that's what you're here to do. You're here in this physical experience to explore a certain type of theme, explore a certain type of experience. So allow yourself the opportunity, allow yourself the luxury to experience it. All right? And it all begins with meditation, my friend. So right after this video, go meditate and then go play. All right? Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.